Dear friends, hello. We will be here again today with short and light information. In fact, we can think of this video as a continuation of the previous and next videos. The subject of this video is how to send and receive money from Vice. In our previous video, how was money sent and received from Payoneer? In our next video, we will discuss how to send and receive money from Mercury Bank. We will do this. Why are we doing this? Especially our new friends ask questions when sending and receiving money. We are trying to help them, but sometimes they don't understand when it is explained over the phone, or at least when it is done as an application. Everything becomes easier when we do some things practically, like our other videos. Now, I've already mentioned these 3 videos in our previous video. I will say this again in the next video, because we may have friends who watch it in parts or separately. We will put videos about sending and receiving money from Payoneer, receiving money from Visa, and sending and receiving money from Mercer in a single playlist. There, all our friends will be able to watch them all and see them in action. The subject of this video is about how this process is done, especially in Visa. This is Visa's interface, friends. Many of you already know. Friends who have an account at Visa know. Now, sending or receiving money from Visa does not make much difference whether it is personal or company. Here on the left there is the recipient section. It is called buyers in Turkish. When you click, we said now what kind of type we want to send money is prevented. It is sent by email to a counterparty. Same here, like how? If the other party has a Wise address, if it is this person, nothing happens. It doesn't happen in the company. I will show it soon when I click print the address of the company. If this person has an individual Vice account, you can find that person and send money directly by typing the email he registered with here. If you write directly here, it will be sent to you, and if you have it, I will write it here. If there is an account linked to this email, it is directly displayed here. When you tell it to send, it sends. Otherwise, it already says that there is no account linked to this email. If you want, he says, send him just one thing. It's kind of like send an invitation kind of thing. Now, if the other party does not have an email, that is, if it is not registered here, or for example, you buy a product from a wholesaler, you will send goods to the wholesaler. Now, when you click on the NRC PIN section, let's select USD from here, for example. From here, is this person or company? I say company, I write your emails. The company's name, ACH number, account number or routing number in Turkish. Rating number, account number, account number. I am writing this. Checking account happens. In general, just so you know, savings are not much, but he is a writer anyway. Then on the other side, you write the address of the gun or the company you will send it to, confirm and go to the next page. Let me tell you the difference here. What is the difference between ACH and wire? ACH is ours in Turkey. It's like friends. It's like money transfer. It does not withdraw money easily. It is easily connected to the other party's bank account. It goes on average in 3 days if there is any. It is our EFT. Look here, it requires $20. It charges an average of $15 and $20 extra, but it goes in 1 business day and goes on the same day. SWIFT is direct from abroad. So when sending from Turkey to America, there is a SWIFT number, etc. This is also for him, but for you, let's say friends who do Amazon in America or work on eBay, let's say he is going to buy a wholesale product, he needs to use ACH or wire if he is not in a hurry. ACH, if there are 3 business days, wire can send it from here in 1 business day. If it is a person, we select the person directly and enter the information in the same way. Now let's choose Turkey and TL here. When you choose TL, for example, you already have money items here. You can do whatever you want in TL or dollar. When sending money from here, look, it is enough to choose whether it is a person or a private company. Then write its name here and write the faith in TL. Let's move on to something else. To the recipient section. Now, we showed how to add it here. It throws it down every time. I don't know why. Let's say you can add your own bank account. I will send money to myself. You know what Payoneer says? Don't send money to yourself. Don't withdraw money to yourself. When I choose USD, when I want to send money to myself, by the way, my name comes up automatically because I'm sending it to myself. My account number in America is at Bank of America. If I have one, I have another account there. I can write your H and sorry routing and account number and then click on checking that account or saving account and send money. When I select TL, IBAN comes up directly. You can send money from here too. This is actually sending and receiving money from anything. It's as simple as friends. It's not that much different. It's not that difficult. What you need to pay attention to here is to make sure that the information you write there is correct. If it is true, your money will be transferred in 3 days or 3 days, whichever you choose. I give an example. Let's even show this in Wise. Look, when you click on the upper right corner, you can do this in the settings section, in the selling section. There I said it in the previous video about Payoneer. Here you will send a monthly statement to your accountant or send account information to your wholesaler. You can also get this information from that settings section. We shot this video to answer our friends who ask how to send and receive money on Wise. Getting money and Visa is very simple. Likewise, if the email is from a person, give your email to the other party. If you have a Visa, the other party can send you your direct email. Or let's say you have a company in America. Your company also has a Visa. Let us even show you where to get the information. In the settings section, let's do something. Let's show that too. 1 minute. Sorry, in your details section. Personal information, etc. Here, 1 minute. Sorry, I'm sorry. I'll show you right here. I'm so sorry. For example, if you want to get the information of the dollar account, you can click on the dollar account and go to the statement section from the more section. You get the monthly extra from here. You can choose the language here. Let's go back. By clicking on it, it says your USD account details. He says, look, if someone from America will send it, you can copy and send this. If he was going to send it from outside the USA, he wanted SWIFT or something like that, you can send it like this. Of course, you have to click on Reveal. SWIFT should not be seen by people outside. You can copy it directly when you click on Reveal. Your account details. Here, if you click on TL, whichever account you will use, it will show you IBAN. If you click on dollar, showing dollar, there it shows the account number and routing number, etc., etc. Actually, as I said, the sending and receiving part is not that difficult. Once you do it once, you too can do it. Once you do it once, you memorize it. If it is already available in English, it provides step-by-step guidance there too. As far as I know, you will see a direct panel in Turkish for accounts opened from Turkey. If you have any additional questions or comments about this, you can write to the thing. You tell me. You can write in the comment section. Again, our social media accounts are here. Instagram, Facebook, you can contact us through our social media accounts. Or you can send a direct email to info@mehmetakifbirkan.com. We can help from there. Thank you for listening. If you are a beginner or have friends who ask advice how to exchange money, you can also recommend this video. Or like I said, in this video series, videos of how to send and receive money from Payoneer and Mercury will be shot. You may have seen more or less how to carry out your transactions in all banks together with them. Thank you for listening. See you in another video.